Back at the beach for the first time in months. Give it a little shot with some surf perch, see how this works out. Oh, I've only got a few minutes to fish, so we will see, I guess. Fishing conditions are pretty much crap right now. The tide's wrong, the moon's wrong, but it sure is nice to be outside, so see how it goes. The gear I'm using is a 6-pound on my Shakespeare rod, Shakespeare reel. 6-pound with just a 4-pound leader, swivel, Carolina rig. I don't remember the size of hook, but I'm fishing with Berkley Gulp Sandworms. There we go, I'm getting bites again. Gotta move out of the way of the water. There we go, right by those rocks. That should be a good cast. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Tighten up my drag a little bit. All right. There we go, guys. That's what I'm talking about. That is a nice fat surf perch. All right, let's let him go. Not bad. Little barred surf perch. See it better in the light, maybe. Sweet. Right in the corner of the mouth. There it is. You know, maybe I should have kept that guy. Had him for dinner. But I just cleaned out my car from a camping trip and I don't feel like cooking tonight. So it was his lucky day. Whoa, guy almost hit my car. That was close. Well, I guess we'll see, but I only had a half an hour or so to fish. I ended up catching that fat perch, which was cool. So thanks for watching, guys. It was only one quick fish, but it was only one quick trip. It was just half an hour because I ran out of daylight. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and please hit the like button and click subscribe if you want to see more like this. Now that the beaches are open, there will be a lot more like this. I do have a Yosemite trip coming up, and also Sequoia National Park in like 3 weeks. So once I get the footage together, I'll make sure I make a video out of that too. I'm going to do a little fly fishing for some rainbow trout and stuff like that. So either way, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.